Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I, Abid Hassan Multani, welcome you to my channel MB Multani Shorthand Teaching for delivering shorthand dictation of MB Multani official passage number 1 at 100 words per minute. Students, as per their requirement, may accelerate or decelerate the speed through computer or mobile. So get ready. Dear sir, I am directed to state that it has been noticed that in a number of cases in which promotion, postings, and other allied matters are objected to by the government servants concerned, they obtain stay orders from the High Court or civil courts. Stop. A lot of administrative process is held up because of these stay orders. Stop. These orders are generally issued with notice to government, but it appears that the departments concerned do not take prompt action for opposing the applications for stay orders and getting these vacated. Stop. The martial law administrator zone A desires that administrative secretaries, heads of attached departments, and other concerned authorities should act with speed and care in matters involving such stay orders. Stop. They should refer the case to the solicitor to Government of West Pakistan for legal advice without any loss of time and send a memorandum to him containing full facts of the case along with all the necessary documents. Stop. The solicitor to Government of West Pakistan should examine the case expeditiously, and unless he is of the view that the government case is weak, he should issue necessary instructions to the Advocate General. Stop. The department concerned should render all possible and prompt assistance to the Advocate General or the legal advisor concerned to enable him to prepare the case effectively. Stop. Para. In such cases where it is found that the original orders of the department were not correct, these orders should be cancelled promptly and steps should be taken to ensure that such mistakes oblique irregularities do not occur again. Stop. Para. Cases in which a department does not act promptly or is not found to be cooperative in defending the case properly should be reported to the Chief Secretary for bringing it to the notice of the martial law headquarters for taking suitable action against the officers who have failed to comply with these instructions in letter and spirit. Yours truly.